sa Bulacan, ang babangga na yan. Sa linya lang, sa linya. Tatawagin natin yung name nyo, baka masuro kasi yung nasa harap. Pakilinya lang, one line. Oh, ayun na naman, oh. Talagang ano, ha? Home court advantage yan, ha? Alright, tatawagin ng name. Drivers ready, marshals ready. Brooks, Dennis, Michael, Doki, Noel, Van, Nikki. Alright, you're witnessing the first qualifying hit of this radio control car racing here at SM City Baliwag. Alright. Okay. Fastest lap set by Doki. Second fastest by Doki na. First leading na si fastest lap na ni Chairman Michael. Yung kulay silver, yan ang fastest car natin. Pangalawang mabilis, yung may kulay orange. Pangatlo, yung kulay pink. Pang-apat, yung kulay yellow. Pang-lima, kulay blue. Yung may betlugs. Yan. Yan ang pang-lima. Running 6, fastest Brooks, yung kulay black. And 7 fastest. Alright, new fastest lap set by Nikki. Kulay pink, yan pong kulay pink. Yan ang fastest car natin. Bumalik ulit dun sa kulay silver. Siya ulit ang fastest car. Bumalik ulit dun sa kulay pink. Ba, agawan ng... Ano? Third fastest, si Van, yung kulay yellow car, yan ang pangatlong mabilis, pang-apat na mabilis na kotse natin. Ang kulay orange, pang-lima, ang kulay black, pang-anim, ang kulay blue na car, at pang-pito, yung violet kanina, pero huminto siya. And of course, this race is brought to us by Speed Little and SM City Baliwag. Thank you so much. New fastest lap set by Nikki. Second fastest by Chairman, yung kulay silver na kotse, yan ang pangalawang mabilis. Yung leading natin, yung kulay pink. Pangatlong mabilis na kotse, yung kulay dilaw po, yan po ang pangatlo na pinakamabilis. Pang-apat, si Doki, yung kulay orange. Pang-lima, ang kulay itim na kotse. With 1 minute and 30 seconds to go. 1 minute and 30 seconds to go. Hi! Leading na, fastest car na yung kulay yellow. Yung kulay dilaw na po ang pinakamabilis na kotse sa mga oras na ito. Pangalawa, yung kulay pink. Pangatlo, ang kulay silver. Pang-apat, yung kulay orange. Pang-lima, ang kulay itim na kotse. Pang-anim, yung kulay blue. With 50 seconds to go. 50 seconds to go. Still fastest cars. by Bam, yellow card. Second fastest, bago na naman. Si Nikki naman ang leading. Yan pong kulay pink. Pangalawa, ang kulay yellow. Pangatlo, ang kulay orange. Pang-apat, ang kulay silver with 15 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. Still fastest lap set by Nikki, second fastest by Bam, third by Doggy, fourth by Chairman. Alright, finish your lap. Drivers, finish your lap. Doggy finish. Fox finish. Dennis finish. Chairman finish. Nikki finish. Bam. Noel, di ba? Ay, finish na pala. Kaya pala hindi mapipinish eh. Alright. That ends our first qualifying heat.